put this guy's face on his. How can I do that?
It's not hard, let me teach you. Open the image and use the lasso tool. To select the face we want to change, Ctrl+J to copy a layer and move the layer to the surface of the character we want to change. Ctrl+T, transform to make a resize. Adjust to a proper size. Click Enter. Select image, adjust, match color. Select the current file as the source. Click on Neutralize, push the fade to right. Adjust fade, brightness and color intensity to bring the face closer to the color of the current image. Confirm it, hold down Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of layer 1 to get the face selection. Click Select, Modify, Shrink. Change the shrink age to 20 and confirm. Hide the face layer. Select the bottom layer. Click Delete to delete the face. Ctrl+D to deselect. Light up layer 1. We selected both layers and use the Edit Auto Blend layer. Use the blend mode of panorama image and confirm so that we have made the face change.